Okay, this is my week 13 project. Basically, we were supposed to make just a simple um, login screen, of course, with like a navigation bar at the top, and of course the login button using React. And so first, I started off with the index.js, which of course I imported the Node modules Bootstrap, as well as imported what I called main, where basically that's the component that I use to be able to um, be able to change the DOM. And so here we can start off with main, which basically again has import of React, as well as the other one of the other components, which are called navigation, which is for the nav bar. Basically, it just exports uh, um, the it creates it returns just a simple div, which I call just a container, and then in it you have navigation. When you go to the navigation bar, basically here I inputted a couple some of the other components, including the login button, as well as the uh, comment, which I'll get to in a minute. But basically, with the navigation bar, it's again going to export and return a div that has the header, and on the header, you have the class, which is the a navigation bar. And in the navigation bar, it basic just has a couple of links, which are just some YouTube videos that I put, but it basically will show home, news, contact, and about. And then in the body, I just say, please log in. And basically at the footer, I brought in the other ones, which are the comment and login. Um, so when you go to the um, login, basically all this really is just a function, um, that will um, handle an event that allows you to basically click on the login button, and then it'll just spit out, that the login has been pretty much submitted. And so here again, it's just returning, the form, which again is just basically a simple button with a login on it. And then of course it'll export the login. The username is basically again just a function that has both the username, and then it allows people to type in their user name. Here it'll return, again, you have a div, and then it's a form where you can input text. Okay, and the value is going to be the username, and then placeholder is just going to be username as well. And then I also created a component for the password as well, which is very similar to the username, um, except then instead of a username, it's the password. And um, um, here I will show what it looks like. So basically, um, here at the header, you have the links to the contact about, news, so on and so forth that can be clicked. Just goes to a YouTube video. Here's the please log in. You can type in username, and you can put in a password, and then it doesn't go anywhere, but you can log in. It just says that, login was submitted, type of stuff. All right. This is the end of my video.